The journey of luxury kangaroo leather begins long before the finished product reaches a showroom. Inside the processing facility, carefully prepared kangaroo hides are first received, sorted, and inspected for quality, thickness, and natural grain. The hides are then thoroughly washed and rinsed before moving through specialized preparation equipment. Their thickness is carefully calibrated, creating a clean and uniform material ready for tanning. Next comes one of the most important stages, the tanning process. Inside large rotating drums, the hides undergo controlled treatment that transforms them into durable, flexible leather. After tanning, the leather is rinsed, dried, softened, and conditioned. Specialized machines work the material until it becomes supple and smooth while preserving its distinctive fine grain. Finally, the leather receives its finishing treatment, creating the consistent warm tan brown appearance used throughout the production line. What began as a raw hide has now become premium kangaroo leather, ready to be transformed into luxury products.
All right, easy now, let the drum take it.
Yeah.
Hatch is clear. Stand back, increasing RPM.
Once the premium Kangaroo leather passes its final inspection, the real craftsmanship begins. Large leather sheets are carefully positioned on precision cutting tables, where specialized machines create perfectly shaped panels for luxury handbags, wallets, belts, phone cases, and watch straps. The edges are then skived, folded, and prepared for stitching. Skilled workers guide each piece through precision sewing machines, creating strong and evenly spaced seams. Handbag panels are assembled into structured bodies. Handles are attached, and premium hardware is carefully fitted. Smaller leather sections become elegant wallets, belts, phone cases, and watch straps. Every finished product goes through detailed quality control. Workers inspect the stitching, edges, hardware, flexibility, surface texture, and consistent warm brown finish. Finally, the completed products are polished, carefully packaged, and prepared for shipment. From a carefully processed hide to a finished luxury accessory, every stage combines precision machinery with skilled human craftsmanship.
The stitching on this handbag is flawless. Okay.
And the color match on the belt is perfect.
Agreed, these are ready for shipment.